the Armando Show. Oh, I forgot. He's my boss, Jack Record. Thanks for accepting me, the Armando. Howdy, folks. I'm happy you can join us. The Armando had a really nice job with the most opportunity time to you. And that's not all. The Armando promised a special feature. It will be fun and excitement. Here we go, gang. Let's roll this cartoon. After me, get me enough. Uh-oh. Miami is off. Now the cartoon. Oh, the city in town is very quiet. Not quiet for the music. and this is an apartment. An apartment. And I ain't gonna do it. He says, you wanna knock? You they all knock it. Okay. Who's there? A very little smaller boy. If you wanna be roommate with me, I will be your roommate. No! You know, that guy is screwy. Tebrang, Pop, Patrick, Ulakan. Oh? What did it say? You're correct! I still put it correct! The city loud lights, I like those lights, and I wait, I ain't going to park. And I love walk, and I like this I like. This is New York City in town, I like this town. And I ain't going to walk on the streets, and I'm always going to have it. And I'm always going to have it. Well, I got him. Oh, I like the legs, I love the legs, and I always comfy. I find out. Hello, Mr. Hoolan. Ballooning up the way. I love that girl. The guy is very funny. Shall we dance? Shall we dance? I don't wanna dance. All I wanna do is cry. Don't worry, Mac. I won't be screwy anymore. And I fit you like. And this is a present for you. For me? Oh boy, thank you. It's me again! Woo, 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 hey! Policy segment. Who for the audience? It's me, Patrick Olahan. Wow, me boy. You wanna do some things like this? Your side in there. What not? I'm not going to take my money with that guy. No, take that money with that guy. I'll be exploding. This tastes bitter. Oh, 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 achoo! The city of lights, I like to stay over here and that. This song was strong. Boy, this is a good place. Yeah, we're gonna live here. With permission, ladies. Mommy. Hello, Mr. President. Hello, Mr. O'Callaghan. I'd like to make you the president. Money, filthy rich. Just imagine in the next elections, you had it very good now. Look, in that year, and now with the shoes, you're gonna make better. Ooh. Penguin with gold? Not worry, I got one of them. Dancing. And the dancing is going on. And fashion. Oh boy, those fashion girls are good. Thanks for dinner party, Monica. Oh, hold hand. Thank you. And you will be filthy rich. I'll be filthy rich? Of course you can. God. Look at the money. Go. Get loaded with that. Well, folks. Bye-bye. I love the lights. I love the lights. I love the lights. I love the lights. I love the city. And now it's rising the sun. Then goodbye. Time for a cartoon. It's time for a cartoon. It's time to do the Armando show. Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
largo tutto de metallicità, largo. La 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 la. Oh, tu legittimo peverità, largo. La 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 la. Oh, tu legittimo peverità, la 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 la. Tutti mi chiedono, tutti mi vogliono, donne ragazze, presto biglietto, tutti mi chiedono, tutti mi vogliono, tutti mi presto biglietto. Figaro, 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 Figaro.
This is New Old Boy City. Again. Not this adventure. Guns without hero. Again. With Buckbuster. Again. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, hello there. I'm going to ransom this guy. And because it will be $1 trillion. And I wanna be rich. And for being rich, I need to ransom him. Help! 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 Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Help! 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 This guy is my help. Help! Come here! Oh no, you don't. This girl wants to interrupt my ransom. Here we go! Running away! Here we go! Running away! Oh boy! I said the crap. Now the dog was the one. What is list? The list interrupted her. On the gun, shoots. And the woodpecker in the oven will be shoot and say, ow! And he picks the rope over the oven and goes falling the slap. Ding! And then the beggar grin is cursed the cat. Meow! The cat is scratching teeth. The cat is scratching teeth. This roof will be for the bowling ball. And he'll pop the balloon. It's my signal. And now my signal is activated. And now I'm going to cut the rope. Oh boy, yes, scream! What? Why did he fall? Ding! Well, my dear darling, you wanna eat this cake with the ice cream? All you need is this, and All guys say take your food. Take to the elevator. And the one is eating knows beep beep beep. One leg. My, that was delicious. What's the matter with her? Oh. Oh. Bang! 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 Beep up. Beep beep up. Hey, beep beep up. So, think smart, eh? That we'll see. Wait a minute, boy. Who one get hit by your light missile? What light missile? The light missile! Man, what's up, Doc? Thank you. The missile! Man, what's up, missile? That didn't stop me. I was determined to catch this guy. Oh no, that means it again. Oh no, the missile again. I need some missile. Mad Doc, Mad Missile. Let's cover our eyes. What is? Would not hear this the all boy explosion. Good work, my boy. You got him. You know, we're trying to catch this guy for months. Look here. It's Buster. I know. He wants to ransom you too. And he wants to ransom people who get money. And now, we capture him by you. Finally, I get your money. Woohoo! We're rich! We're rich! Yippee! And this worked because I failed. The end.
Quick, another cartoon! Guess who? It's one of those crazy mixed-up characters. I'll fix him.
Shut up! Whoa! It's her! That's not her. It's a woodpecker
Where, pal?
in there.
Let me see. Wow. A peeping Tom, eh? Game warden, Bud. According to Section 204, Code 506, you're charged with a 706. I'll have to take you in on an 88. Oh, it's you again.
Well, fellas, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on the next program for have fun with your favorite character, the Guatemala Canadian Square. Well, goodbye.